Don't you worry about a thing. Don't you worry about a thing, Mama. 'Cause I'll be standing on the side when you check it out. They say your style of life's a drag and that you must go other places. Just don't you feel too bad when you get fooled by smiling faces. Don't you worry about a thing. Don't you worry about a thing, baby. 'Cause I'll be standing on the side when you check it Don't you worry about a thing. 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 Oh, ba 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 ba. Ready, girls? I said, burn! It's cold in here. I said there must be some toros in the atmosphere. I said, burn! It's cold in here. I said there must be some toros in the atmosphere. I said, oh, E-O, E-O, ice, ice, ice. Oh, E-O, E-O, ice, ice, ice. Here we go, girls.
Bend on over, butt booty naked. Now pump, 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 get it, get it. I got 135 beats a minute. Get your brother more keys, calling all the freaks. Show the pink and the booty kick, sick from the bottom, stick for the top. Show me a shot, let me see what you got. Ow, ow, ow. Pump, 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 get it, shake, 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 take a little something. That's the way. Yeah, that's the way. You go, girl.
Prepare for total domination, domination, domination.
Y'all ready for this? Y'all ready for this?
All right, we're sweet. We got the whip, we can't be beat. We're the best, our team's too cool. We got the class to rock this school. Aw, yeah! Go Toros, go Toros, go, go, go Toros, go Toros, go Toros, go, go, go Toros.
Hit me, hit me.
Impressive.
serviço. Quero meu sofá, tá sempre cheia a condução. Eu passo pano e zero o chão. A outra vê defeito até onde não há. Queria ver madame aqui no meu lugar. Eu ia rir de me acabar. Só vendo a patroinha aqui no meu lugar, botando a roupa pra quarar. Minha colega quis botar pique no cabelo dela, gastou um extra que era da parcela.
As filhas da patroa, nojenta e entojada,
Só sabem explorar, não vale nada. Queria ver madame aqui no meu lugar. Eu ia rir de me acabar. Só vendo a cantora aqui no meu lugar, tirando a mesa do jantar. Levo vida de empreguete, eu pego às 7. Fim de semana é salto alto e vendo o que vai dar. Um dia compro apartamento, viro socialite. Toda boa, vou com meu ficante viajar. Levo vida de empreguete, eu pego às 7. Fim de semana é salto alto e vendo o que vai dar. Um dia compro apartamento, viro socialite. Toda boa, vou com meu ficante viajar.
All right, let's get started.
It started. Wait, where's the script?
There is no script.
Don't we rehearse first?
No, we don't.
Can I go back to London then?
No, you can't. All you've got to do is follow my direction. That's Charlotte in wardrobe and Mary in makeup, the girls who will help you look pretty. That's Hank on the dolly and Pete on the props, and the man at the camera is Raleigh. Now makeup is waiting and daylight is fading, so why not begin with the fun? Come over here, Chaplain, and hang on my words, and I'll show you how pictures are done. With a girl and a bench, 2 pies and a tree, 3 cops will have you laughing. Mabel, sit down. Fatty, stand up. Chaplain, get in there. It's happening. Trouble arrives. A villain appears. Fatty, catch her flirting. And he who gets in Fatty's way, I promise, will be hurting. A little to the left, no, a little to the right. Now stand up, Chaplain, find your light. Sit down, stand up, move left, move down. No, no, Chaplain, just look right. Come on, Chaplain, look at me and give me one reaction. You get what I said? Forget what I said. I really just want to see action. All right, Charlie, run for it. Fast, faster. No, no, Chaplain, you're slowing it down. You gotta keep up with them. What are you doing? You're not in the theater anymore, Chaplain. No, 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 you're slowing it down. All right, stop. Cut. Charlie.
Yes, sir.
They call them movies because they move faster than anything you've ever seen on the stage. That's the difference between them. Now, I like you, Charlie.
Oh, I like you.
Well, that's swell, that's swell. So, we'll try it again, all right?
Yeah.
Rolling. Action! A little to the left, a little to the right. Get in there, Chaplain. Start a fight. Show me just a little of the magic that I saw that night. Cue the cops, cue the pies, and villains hidden in disguise. Chaplain, help me time his money. Won't you show me something funny? Mabel's sweating, Fatty's thinning. Give me just a gag that's winning. Raleigh's rolling, Pete is waiting. Move it, kid, stop hesitating. Chaplain, stand, Mabel strut. Fatty, punch him in the gut. Chaplain up, mouth is shut. Be funny, Chaplain, damn it, cut!
It's that difference again, isn't it?
It is, it is.
I'm sorry, I'm just trying to figure out my character's motivation.
What?
In London, I always knew why my character was doing something.
Character? This is Hollywood. We don't have character here, and we don't have motivations.
Let me try one more time.
All right. Rolling. Action! Time has passed, so move your ass and give me one good shot. You think you'd have it in you just to give me all you got. The camera's almost empty, so the pressure is on you. The dusk is here, the day has almost slipped without a trace. So grab a pie, run on by, hit Fatty in the face. I know it's shtick, I know it's crude, but who can really blame us? So come on, kid, and show me now the gag for which I'm famous! Oh, cut!
A stranger to the dark. Hide away, they say, 'cause we don't want your broken parts. I've learned to be ashamed of all my scars. Run away,
They say no one will love you as you are, but I won't let them break me down to dust. I know that there's a place for us, for we are glorious. When the sharpest words wanna cut me down, I'm gonna send the blood, gonna drown them out. I am brave, I am bruised, I am who I'm meant to be. This is me. Look out, 'cause here I come, and I'm marching on to the beat I drum. I'm not scared to be seen, I make no apologies. This is me.
What a dog, baby. What a dog. He's a tramp, but they love him. Breaks a new heart every day. He's a tramp, they adore him, and I only hope he'll stay that way. He's a tramp, he's a scoundrel, he's a rounder, he's a cad. He's a tramp, but I love him, yes, and even I have got it pretty bad. You can never tell when he'll show up. He gives you plenty of trouble. I guess he's just a no-count pup, but I wish that he were double. He's a tramp, he's a rover, and there's nothing more to say. If he's a tramp, he's a good one, and I wish that I could travel his way. You can never tell when he'll show up. He gives you plenty of trouble. I guess he's just a no-count pup. But I wish that he were double. He's a tramp, he's a rover, and there's nothing more to say. If he's a tramp, he's a good one, and I wish that I could travel his way. I wish that I could travel his way. Wish that I could travel his way.
Want a girl like her, a frail and fluffy beauty. Why can't a fellow ever once prefer a solid girl like me? She's a frothy little bubble with a flimsy kind of charm, and with very little trouble I could break her little arm. Ow! Ow! Why would a fellow want a girl like her, so obviously unusual? Why can't a fellow ever once prefer a usual girl like me?
Her cheeks are a pretty shade of pink,
but not any pinker than a rose is.
her skin may be delicate and soft,
but not any softer than a doe's is.
her neck is no wider than a swan's.
She's only as dainty as a daisy. She's only as graceful as a bird. So why is the fellow going crazy? Oh, why would a fellow want a girl like her? A girl who's merely lovely. Why can't a fellow ever once prefer a girl who's merely neat? What's the matter with the man? What's the matter with the man? What's the matter with the man? Yes, he's witty, so disarming, and I really like the way he holds a room. Clever, cunning, ever charming. How do I make him see I'm special? It's a pity. It's a pity. I'm as pretty. I'm as pretty. Plus I've got the patience of a perfect saint. So I'm waiting, always waiting. Nevertheless, I'm in a mess. Loosen my dress. Help me, I'm starting to. Why would a fellow want a girl like her? A girl who isn't dizzy. Why can't a fellow ever once prefer a high-strung girl like me? Her cheeks are a pretty shade of pink, but not any pinker than a rose is. Her skin may be delicate and soft, but not any softer than a doe's is. Her neck is no wider than a swan. She's only as dainty as a daisy. She's only as graceful as a bird. So why is the fellow going crazy? Oh, why would a fellow want a girl like her? A girl who's merely lovely. Why can't a fellow ever once prefer a girl who's merely neat? What's the matter with the man? What's the matter with the man? What's the matter with the man? She's the matter, let me at her. What's the matter with
before I put it in. Close your eyes and count to 10. Don't cry, I won't convert you. There's no need to dismay. Close your eyes and drift away. Dimmer on, oh God is taking dimmer on. Dimmer on, oh God is taking dimmer on. He's trying hard to convince her to give him more of what he had. Today he wants it twice as bad. Don't cry, I won't resent you. Yesterday you had distrust. Today he's taking twice as much. Dimmer on, oh God is taking dimmer on. Dimmer on, oh my, it's God is dimmer on.
Devagar porque já tive pressa e levo esse sorriso porque já chorei demais. Hoje me sinto mais forte, mais feliz, quem sabe só levo a certeza de que muito pouco sei ou nada sei. Conhecer as manhas e as manhãs, o sabor das massas e das maçãs. É preciso amor pra poder pulsar, é preciso paz pra poder sorrir, é preciso a chuva para florir. Penso que cumprir a vida seja simplesmente compreender a marcha e tocando em frente. Como um velho boiadeiro levando a boiada, eu vou tocando os dias. Pela longa estrada eu vou, estrada eu sou. Conhecer as manhas e as manhãs, o sabor das massas e das maçãs. É preciso amor pra poder pulsar, é preciso paz pra poder sorrir, é preciso a chuva para florir. Conhecer as manhas e as manhãs, o sabor das massas e das maçãs. É preciso amor pra poder pulsar, é preciso paz pra poder sorrir, é preciso a chuva para florir.
able to survive this mess by being a prince or a princess. You will soon see there's no escaping tragedy. And even if you put in heaps of effort, you're just wasting energy, 'cause your life as you know it is ancient history. I have suffered in this jail, I'm trapped inside this cage for ages, this living hell. But if I try I can remember that before my life had ended, before my happy days were over, before I first heard the feeling of the why.
Why? Did you hear what he said?
Just you wait for his end. Just you wait for his end.
Why?
Just you wait for his end.
Hey, Matilda! They're saying she's coming to put me in chokey! What's chokey? They say it's a cupboard in her office that she throws children into. They say she's lined with nails and spikes and bits of broken glass.
It's a place you are sent if you haven't been good, and it's made of spice. And looking at it isn't wide enough to sit. And even if you could, there are nails on the bottom, so you wish you stood. When the hinge is thick and the door is closed, you cannot see swat. Nor the end of your nose. And when you scream, you don't know if the sound came out or if the scream in your head even reached your mouth. This school of late has started reeking. Quiet, maggots, when I'm speaking! Reeking with the most disturbing scent. Only the finest nostrils smell it, but I know it oh too well. It is the odour of rebellion. It's the bouquet of dissent. The smell of rebellion, the stench of revolt, the reek of insubordination, the whiff of resistance, the pong of dissent, the funk of mutiny in action. Before a weed becomes too big and greedy, you really need to nip it in the bud. Position 2. Before the worm starts to turn, you must scrape off the dirt and rip it from the mud. The whiff of insurgency, the stench of intent, the reek of prepubescent protest, the pong of defiance, the odour of coup, the waft of anarchy in progress. Once we've exercised these demons, they shall be pooped for scheming. Some double-time discipline should stop the rot from setting in. All right, let's step it up. Double time. What different for? Discipline for children who aren't listening, for midgets who are fidgeting or whispering in history. They're chattering and chittering, they're nattering and twittering is